Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another PR little gel polish kit here from Born Pretty. They asked if I wanted to try, this is the fall winter collection, and I'll get the name up on the screen. I think it's like caramel. Oh yeah, it's the orange pumpkin coffee caramel color series. So yeah, some fall colors here. But yeah, I love the packaging. I never really noticed before that that's a nail polish bottle. All these times I've been opening their stuff. Super cute though, so I'll go ahead and get this open. All right, so these are the polishes here. So we get 6 polishes. All right, so this collection here is the BP CC01. So take a look. Oh, that is a pretty nude. Oh, wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's a brown. That's like, oh, that's a very like chocolatey brown there. Love it. Oh, look at that, how pretty. This one's pretty. This one's different. I don't have anything like this. This is like a, I don't even know if you would call it like a yellowy brown. I don't know. It's super pretty though. It's different. And then this is the 04. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a orangey color there. Really pretty. Oh, this is really pretty red. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's a nice fall red. It's not real bright. It's like toned down. Oh, that's really pretty. And then the last one is the 06. Oh, that's another red too. This is more like a kind of like a burgundy color. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch these. I'm off camera because I've seen, you know, I mean, you guys have seen me swatch tons of times, so I'll come back when they're all swatched and then we'll look at all the colors. All right, so these are the colors here. Look how beautiful. Definitely fall right there. Super pretty. Look at that chocolate one. Yeah, they're just gorgeous. This is like a wine color. So pretty. All right, so we're gonna get right into the set here, and I'm trying the Mccart Peel Off Base Coat. I've never tried this before, and oh my gosh, it worked really good. I just wanted to pop them off, and they were very hard to get off. So if I'm gonna keep them on, I'll use it, but yeah, I'll just stick to the E-Nail Couture. That way I can pop them off. And then to adhere the tips, I'm going to be using the Born Pretty 6-in-1 gel. For that Mccart peel off base coat, you have to apply a layer and then you cure that for 60 seconds. I forgot to mention that. So yeah, I'm just putting that gel in and then we're just flash curing it, and then I'll go ahead and cure the whole hand for 60 seconds once all the tips are on. And then now I'm going to go in with the Born Pretty base coat. I'm going to apply a coat to each nail and then cure the whole hand for 60 seconds. Then we're going to go in with the 05, and that's that really pretty red. I absolutely love this red. I'm probably going to be using it you know, throughout the fall sets, because oh, it's just a really pretty red for this time of year, I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna be putting, I'll only show, when I show the polishes, I'll only be showing one coat, but I do 2 coats of all the colors that I use. And then I do cure each coat for 60 seconds. So I decided for this set that I'm gonna do some chrome. I don't ever do chromes. I think I've done them one time on a set, like when I first started my channel. But yeah, I don't know. I had a couple ideas in mind for what I wanted to do, and then I don't know. I just, once I put the polish on, I was like, I just want to do gold, kind of gold at the cuticle and just fade it up. I don't know. I just thought it was cute for fall. So yeah, I just take that and dab a little bit, and then I just kind of drag it up not too high. But yeah, it was really shiny. I really like this. I don't even remember where I got it from at all. I have no idea. And then I'm gonna go in with the Born Pretty base coat, and this is the base coat that has little speckles in it, so it actually went perfect. I mean, you can barely see them, but it was just enough to add a little bit to the tip, you know, where the red is. So yeah, I really liked that. It was super pretty. So this finger here, I'm just showing this because I decided not to do this. I did a marble and I really like the way the marble came out, so I'll probably do it again, but it just didn't go with the chrome. Yeah, I just was like, nah, it stood out way too much. So yeah, I was still at that time, I was still debating whether I should keep it or not. So I said, I'm gonna do a few more nails. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So on the middle finger, I went in with that real pretty orange. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's super pretty, perfect fall color. It's not like that really bright orange. It's, I don't know, it's just perfect. And some alcohol on that little brush and just clean up around the edges, or around the cuticle, sorry. So for the index finger, I'm going in with that chocolatey brown, and I don't know, these colors are just, they picked the right colors to put in this kit. Like, all of them were perfect. The only shade I didn't use was that gray one, but I would like to use it probably in a Halloween set. I'll use it as like a background color. And then yeah, as you can see on the ring finger, I added some glitter. It was a glitter, it's a reflective polish actually from Born Pretty. And oh my god, it looks so pretty. So I think if I do a set, I will do something like that with that glitter over that marble. I don't know, it just looks super pretty. But it just didn't go with the rest of the fingers. So here's where I started to peel off that marble, but then dust was everywhere, and I didn't want to get it on my thumb that had base coat on it. So I was like, let me just polish this, you know, nail and top coat it, and then I'll continue filing it off. So I'm going in with that number 6, and that's that wine. It is more like a wine. When I looked at it first, it looked like a burgundy, but it's like a wine, and oh, it's just so pretty. So then I decided for the ring finger I was going to use that yellow shade. So I'm just putting on the base coat right now. But yeah, I like that shade too. It is like a mustardy yellow, but a little bit toned down. But yeah, I love Born Pretty polishes. I mean, some of them you could get away with one coat, but I always like to do 2. But yeah, and then again, I'm just going in with that gold. Yeah, just something different. I haven't really done, like I said, the chromes, but yeah, I really liked it. I thought they came out cute. And then I decided to put these gold maple leaf charms, and they have diamonds, little, you know, rhinestones in them. I'm gonna put one on the oops, drop that there, ring finger, and then the thumb. But yeah, I just wanted to keep it simple, just show the colors, how pretty they are, and I definitely will be using these probably in November when I do more fall sets. I'm gonna start doing Halloween. Hopefully I can before my surgery on Friday. Hopefully I can get at least one in and try to do some, but yeah, I'll definitely be pulling these out for November to do a set. But yeah, I had to get this out because I've had this package I think since last week, and I've just had so much going on, you know, like the pre-testing for the surgery and all that. So I was like, oh my god, I gotta get this video done. But yeah, oh, they're just gorgeous. And so we're gonna go in with our cuticle oil. And this is the finished set here. I think they came out super cute, just something different. I was gonna use stickers and then I decided not to. Just the colors are just gorgeous. But thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending these gorgeous polishes. Like I said, I'm gonna be definitely taking them out in November. Thanksgiving sets, more fall sets. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Bye.